when I explain all these topics in physics, many people wonder, when are we actually going to use this? What is an actual application that's used in something besides school? Well, as you know, engineering makes a lot of use of physics, and especially civil engineering. Now, civil engineering is basically what designs a lot of the cities and the buildings, and oftentimes they need to make sure stuff doesn't move around, so not everything doesn't collapse. And that's what static equilibrium is, the topic of today's video. So, I'll only give you a short explanation of static equilibrium so you can understand the basics about it. Then, in the next couple of videos, I'll be explaining a few other short concepts, and then we will really get to combining everything, and I will really show you how all of this ties together. So, without further ado, let's move on to the video. Now, what is static equilibrium? Well, we can build static equilibrium up in 3 phases. The first phase. Now, if you remember, if we had, let's say, a ramp, okay? And we had an object, and we wanted to make sure that it's not going to slide down the ramp. That means we had to counteract the force that is mg sine theta. And with our own force that is opposite in direction, but has the same magnitude. That is something called translational equilibrium, alright? Now, the next thing is something I talked a little bit about in my last video, where an example would be that if I had a lever over here, and I had 2 objects, maybe with whatever masses they have, and each of them produced a torque in one direction. Now, this